My name is Aiden, and I'm gonna open these old cards I got from drifting. So these two, I'm not gonna open them because these are too old, and I'm going to open these two. So this one is a Hot Wheels. What does it say? I don't know. This is a BMW 850i, and let's open it. Wait, this is the back of the packaging. And let's open. So here is the BMW. There's the front, side, the back. I like the golden paint on this. And it looks cool. Now, you can't find these in regular stores because they may be like, they don't sell them anymore. And let's just move that out of the way. Next we're gonna open this Mercedes SLK. Here's a look at it. And so it's a Hot Wheels. The back is it says get it free through the Hot Wheels birthday club. And let's open it. So here is the Mercedes SLK. They have a different version of the wheels because some of it is just like this kind of wheels. It's yellow and this is red. In the bottom, this is made in this is the one it's made. You might want to zoom in or something. And this is made in, it's kind of dark. And I'm going to do this in another video when it's my birthday. So